Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your network traffic with Fortinet easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Fortinet device's interface. Open a web browser and enter the IP address of your Fortinet firewall. Input your admin credentials to access the dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to the Policy and Objects section on the left sidebar. Click on IPv4 policy to create a new policy for your network traffic. Select Create New at the top of the page to start a new policy configuration. In the New Policy window, define a name for the policy that reflects its purpose. Choose the incoming and outgoing interfaces that your traffic will flow through. Set the source addresses according to your network requirements. Next, specify the destination addresses as needed for your network setup. Select the appropriate schedule for when this policy will be active. Adjust the service settings to include the necessary protocols like HTTP, HTTPS, or any specific services you require. Ensure that Enable is checked to activate your new policy. Scroll down to the Action section and select Accept to allow traffic through this policy. For added security, consider enabling logging to monitor traffic patterns. Click on OK to save your new policy configuration. Now, navigate to the Security Profiles section on the left sidebar. Select Intrusion Prevention to protect your network from potential threats. Click on Create New to set up a new intrusion prevention profile. Define a name for the profile and adjust the settings according to your security needs. Enable specific IPS signatures that align with your threat landscape. Save the profile by clicking OK once you have configured the settings. Return to the IPv4 policy section and edit the policy you created earlier. In the Security Profiles area, attach the intrusion prevention profile to the policy. This step ensures that all traffic passing through will be monitored for threats. Click OK again to finalize your policy updates. To test your configuration, use a network monitoring tool to analyze traffic. Confirm that traffic is flowing as expected while being appropriately secured. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.